Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I've got the pleasure of showing you around this 2018 Jaguar F-Pace. Now this is the R-Sport diesel automatic car, all-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, with some wonderful factory options. A very high specification car this. So the car's in Corris Grey metallic, which has got to be arguably the best car colour for any Jaguar product. We've got the exterior black package and also the 20-inch alloy wheels, and they're also finished in high gloss black finish. So the Corris Grey paintwork is in wonderful condition. Now this is a one-owner vehicle from new. It's got the benefit of a Jaguar service history with that vehicle, so local to us, Jaguar dealer. Black package comes, all the external plastics and all the external trim are all in the high mirror gloss black finish. Now the 20-inch alloy wheels, they're the 5-spoke alloy wheel, and they are in immaculate order, and the car is riding on Continental spoke contact tyres, and they're all in, well, as new order to be fair. So the black package gets the power vents in the wings. We get the bottom of the door trim, the wing trim, and then around the mirrors and around the rear windows, that's also in high gloss black finish. This car's got a panoramic glass roof with black roof rails. Then when you come down to the front bumper, the honeycomb front grille is all high gloss. The power blades and then the bottom bumper trim, that is also high gloss black finish. But all in all, a fantastic combination. Corris Grey, 20-inch wheels, full black package, panoramic roof, privacy glass. All the extras on this one add up to just over £5,500 of factory options when it was new. Now the paintwork down the side of the car is in, as you can see, impeccable order. A very well nice taken care of car, this one. Everything is as it should be. When you come round to the rear of the vehicle, we've got the twin tailpipe there, and then we've got reversing sensors, front sensors, and then this one again has got the reversing camera. So fully loaded when you consider the specification. All our F-Paces, we've got 3 or 4 in at the moment. They're all high specification cars. These cars are a 2-litre diesel engine. They are either a 180 or a 240 brake horse. This is a 180 brake horse. They've got the 8-speed ZF gearbox in them. The driver's side then is in a similar condition, if not exact condition, to the passenger, and that is in beautiful order. So just jumping back to that, these cars are capable of 50 miles to the gallon. Round town they'll give you all day long 35. I've had 2 or 3 of these now, or my wife has. They're lovely cars to drive. We get the ambient lighting system down the doors. We've got central door locking, 4 electric windows, electric door mirrors. This one has the R-Sport in high gloss finish and aluminium, which is a nice extra. Electric driver's seat. As I jump into this particular vehicle, I'll start her up. We've got 32,195 miles. But the benefit internally of the full system, so we've got cruise control, speed limiter, multifunction steering with the radio controls, we've got automatic lights, automatic wipers. This one has the factory option of a heated front windscreen, has the factory option of a reversing camera, and then the standard system, then you've got the media player, which is USB, and then Bluetooth. We've got the Bluetooth phone, we've got the satellite navigation, just touch the screen. If you always go to the home menu, it goes back, and then you've got then through there, you've got hi-fi hotspot, cameras, InControl apps. You connect your phone through that, and then you can use what your InControl apps. Got the full book pack, got the full service documentation and receipts. I don't smoke, and I can tell the last person of this car wasn't a smoker. Everything is in wonderful order. This is a car which you'll come and view, and there is no disappointments. You will be buying it. It is that well specified and in absolutely A1 order throughout. No scratches or anything on the centre console where somebody's lazily thrown the keys. There's the 2 sets of Jaguar keys there as well. We've even got the key box to which they first came in there when you bought it new from Jaguar. So little touches like that always are nice. All your USB devices you connect in there. Again, full glass fixed panoramic glass roof. They do have a sun blind there, so if it's a frosty day or a cold day or too hot, you can just slide that across and reduce the temperature. But this car, as I say, no warning lights, a wonderful, wonderful example. A credit to the previous keeper. Now, in the rear of the vehicle, we've got the contrast stitch and the USB. We've got 2 chargers and 2 USBs, that's a factory option there. I've detailed all the options, because when we bring these cars in, we go on our search and we can see what the factory options were new. So you might wonder, well, how does you get a price against all of that? We can view what the original bill sheet was at Jaguar. So we only buy top specification cars with all the options, because the options are effectively what originally sold the car. So this car was £5,000 plus dearer when it was new than the equivalent basic car. Now today it's not £5,000 more. What you've got to work out is, I need that best specification within my budget, and then when you come to resale value again further down the road, all the extras just make it more desirable and faster to sell, and it holds the money a lot longer. So, a bit of science for you there. Wonderful car, 1 owner, full service history, all the bells and whistles, 2 keys, everything that was available that was new is still available today, riding on 4 matching Continental tyres. So if you'd like to any more information on it, give us a call here in Wigan. I'm Graham, we've got Lee and Dominic on sales. If you need a part exchange price, give us a call. If you need finance, we can also sort everything out, so you only need to visit Wigan once, and that's when you can take it away in the same day once you've reserved it with a £250 fully refundable deposit. But as for now, thanks for watching our video, and I look forward to your inquiry.